This is take 2 of the farm tour. Now we're starting here instead of there. So this is a John Deere plate. If you're wondering, I'm gonna post up the second video. So the first cut and the second cut. So it's gonna be basically a part 2 because I can't make like 15 videos. Anyways, safety seat. Don't know what that was. There's poison ivy everywhere here. Let's see what this is all about. It's a Gravely. Look at that exhaust, hold on. 60 inch of deck work. Look at this pipe. About to spiral up here. Holder. See anything? Oh, that smells bad. Some bad old diesel there. But it's like a 60-inch plow thing. It's a mower, so I don't want to get ticks. I'll show you what's in that enclosed there in a minute. Here's some more like soft spots. Here we have a beauty. Not really a beauty, but you can tell what it is from the looks of this. You guessed it. It's a wheel horse. Horse wheel. I just cut myself from that. I'm gonna get tetanus. I never quite know teachers. They don't steer. It's the other one that has a snap ball joint. It's like hydraulic. Shifter. Yeah, this used to be a pretty good. There used to be like 6 more tractors here. Oh look. There used to be a Craftsman here. Phil. This is Phil's fuel pump. Most of the things are from Phil, but here's, I think, International. I don't know what this is, but so it's pretty nice here. That's the manual. Here's fuel pump. Battery. What is this? Oh, it's oil. I'll topple off. It's in the gas tank though. This, it has an ignition, amps, lights, choke. It's got lights, choke, boardwards, backwards. It's got like a okay, anyways, back to this. I'm gonna go talk to my dad. It's okay, he was just wondering where I was. I'm an 11-year-old kid. I was scared. So, it's a 4-speed, 5-speed because neutral. So, first, second, third. My cousin Larry never played a Tetris game in reverse. Yeah, you could probably shift this into like 16th gear and it'll be fine. Okay, well, sorry. Can't finish that over there. Gotta do some things here, so I'm gonna talk to the camera while I do this. Which, tripod position. Activation. Worse. Is it still recording even? It is. Can you see me alright? I'm gonna have to like what are you barking at? So I'm gonna be doing it like this now. Anyways, I got some boxes to cut up. Might not. I'm probably just gonna be talking about things for the rest of the day until I get finished with this. So I'm gonna set my camera like this. Shut up! What the fuck are you barking at? Hold up. What the fuck is she barking at? There's like nothing in that area. Really starting to think that my dog is schizophrenic. Shut the oh shit. So got some things out here. Mini ratchet. It's a double-siding ratchet. What the fuck is this? A lot of things out here. A lot of. Oh, hold on. This says pH 9.5. I'm gonna see if I can test that. I'm gonna see if I can test that bottle. It's actually 9.5 HP. If it's not, then I'm suing the company. I don't even have a lawyer. I'm 11. Shut up. Ayo. Gonna have to take some bug spray with me in that forest. It's like 6. Sorry that I'm posting this so late. I know I was supposed to post this at like 1, but nothing. So, here you go. It may be like 5 hours off. I think it is 7 right now. So, it might be 6 hours off. But, hey, at least you got to see it. Frick me. This is what happens when I don't have content. I start freaking goofing off and get hit with the goofy air. And I start talking about random off things. I might grab some things here and show you it, but my cousin Larry never played that Tetris game though. I never had a cousin Larry. Because he played with Tetris and he got shot. Played Tetris with a bunch of like gang members and then he got shot, so yeah, cousin Larry's kind of 6 feet under the ground, definitely not under my house. I'm joking, YouTube. YouTube moderation is probably a good thing. I'm trying to get monetized. I don't even know how you get monetized. Can someone tell me in the comments down below how I got monetized? I think monetization gets you like money. Okay, that's one more box than we had before. Or one more box of fun than we had before. So we got some pizzas. Let's open this up. It's nothing. That's what I call it. Dib dib business or dib business? It's dib business. Still recording? I've been recording for like 8 minutes now. So in total, 7 plus 8. I don't know math. I know times tables math, but not good math. For some reason, my small little brain can't comprehend what 8 plus 6 is. I can probably comprehend what 8 plus 6 is, but 6 plus 8. It's 14, so 24 minutes total. I want to make like 17 year long. People who watch my Thief Sim in the Minecraft, thank you so much. Just thank you. I really appreciate the help, all the help I can get, even though I get like no help at all. Anyways, this is what I do. I cut up all the boxes and I just shove them in there, so we're quite full. We might use Pop-Tart box. So. If I can fit, there's at least maybe a lot to fit this. I don't even know if this box would fit the Pop-Tarts I'm just gonna redump this. Going into here. Ah. Everything's flying everywhere. Jesus. This is a train wreck. Yeah, I think it will fit all of this. Oh, we're pretty darn gone. Okay, well, I got a question for you guys. Do you think a cowboy should talk like a redneck or a cowboy? Because I draw like a redneck all I want, man. I know it's like the worst redneck voice ever, but let me try and get a good voice for that. Alright, you stupid fucking motherfucker. It's 10 in the morning. I'm trying to fucking drink my coffee, and you getting shot through my window. My best impression, though. So. So, I do this like all the time. Anytime we have boxes, this is what we do. Oh yeah. That's our little trash can. Crispy McNugs. Gooey. Who the frick is revving engines though? I don't know. Why did I just not talk for like the freaking 5 minutes? I just decided to freaking take a deep breath or something. I just want to see butane be sprayed into onto this. Well, you're gonna. Oh. Butane, do not breathe. Oh, it's all like dried up in there. Butane's very cold. Oh, dude, it's so cold down there. I wish you guys can like reach your hands through this and feel how cold this is. But I bet you if you ask your mom or dad, or if you're like an adult and has the authority to do whatever the freak you want besides commit arson and stuff like that, try doing this because it will feel good. Do you guys think that frozen gas can still be lit? Imagine you're at like a campfire place and they're like, yo bro, you got the gas? And I'm like, yeah. I come out with like a chunk of freaking frozen gas and they're like, what the hell did you get? I'm like, the gas. I'm like, how the hell are we supposed to use this? I'm frozen into the fire 5 minutes later. Our fire, what? The entire thing just explodes. Everyone gets freaking coated and fumes and starts catching on fire. That would probably not be safe. I'm putting a arson now. You guys want to hear the most mechanic thing ever? Yeah, that's the most mechanic thing ever. Ratchet. Anyway, you guys want to hear the most, most construction worker thing ever? It's off this black Makita. My dad had this for like 20 years. Everything here, I'm probably gonna say most of the parts. I still